Hey, what's up guys, this is Vinay. So in this video we will learn how we can do some basic operation on PIP. It's just a terminal walkthrough kind. Okay, so what is PIP? PIP is a package management system of Python from where we can download the necessary package. It's just a brief idea, okay? So in practically we will see from our command prompt. So what we need to do, we need to open our command prompt like this. You can open command prompt. Now here we will see how we can use PIP. So it's PIP install wheel. Suppose wheel is a package. By doing like this, see, it's now installing collecting wheel and successfully install wheel 031. Now suppose we want to see which version we installed, we can use PIP show wheel. Okay, now displaying 03311. Okay, so it's just a basic operation. Now we can check, suppose let's say PIP list. So it will show how many packages we have installed. It's showing as of now 3 only. Wheel. See, just now we have installed wheel. Now we will see PIP search. Suppose you want to see, yeah, we are using that version 608. Okay, it's just a mistake. PIP search, PIP search Selenium. Suppose I want to search the Selenium part. Okay, so as of now it's showing how many Selenium, that keyword. From that keyword it's searching everything. Okay, yeah, so it's just a basic info. PIP install. Suppose I want to install IPython. IPython is a package used for the terminal and all. PIP install IPython. See, it's installing, it's collecting IPython 100%, collecting 100%, showing the all part. You can see it's running setup.py. It successfully installed our Python. Now PIP list, you can see it should be there. Now see, when you install IPython, how many package you install there. Okay, so this is the basic idea how we can use PIP in our terminal. Just a walkthrough kind. Now I'm using Python. Now I am in my Python environment. I want to do operation 1 plus 2. See, it's saying 3. Now suppose I want to use any string. I'm using as Vinay. Now I want to print that string. I'm using print as. Okay, it's now Vinay. You can see here. Now suppose I want to join two string. And let's say another string is s plus v. Now see, it's finished. Okay, so it's just a basic idea how we can use terminal. So I thought it would be needed before we go to our IDE part. So in next video we will see what IDE we can use for Python purpose. Okay, so if you really like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.